Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Deepseek and CPA marketing. And this is 100% legit method because we are going to promote a big company and you can make up to 10 cents per click. And you probably heard for this company and you probably even used their service. Like I said, if you make any money with this method, you will be paid because this is a trusted company. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called TripAdvisor. You probably heard for this company and you probably even used their service. So what you need to do, you need to scroll down on the bottom of their website and you need to click here where it says become an affiliate. And you will come to this page here where they explain in more details how their affiliate program works. But here is the thing, here you can see your website, TripAdvisor, click out hotel booking partner. So what that means? That means that you need to send a visit to TripAdvisor. And when that visitor visits one of TripAdvisor's clients, only then you will make 10 cents for that click. If you just send someone to TripAdvisor website, you won't make any money. You must send someone who will visit TripAdvisor and from TripAdvisor visit some other website, okay? Some of their clients' website. And here you can see for 170 clicks, you can make up to $60. Really good money. But here you can see they are actually working with CJ, with Commission Junction. So you need to click here to sign up and you will come to Commission Junction website. And registration is really simple, really easy. Here you can choose the language. Here you can see languages that they support. Here you need to choose your country. As you can see, they support a lots of countries around the world. Here you need to add your email, your password, confirm your password, confirm that you are not a robot. Click here, verify email, and that's it. You will register. Really simple, really easy. After that, you will be able to get your TripAdvisor affiliate link. So next thing you need to do, you need to start promoting that affiliate link, your TripAdvisor affiliate link. Now, you need a topic. To find a good and trending topic, you can simply go here on Answer the Public. And here you need to choose countries. So for example, I will choose United States and here I will choose English language. And then here you need to add a topic. In this case, let's say travel, okay? Travel. And here you can find what is currently trending in that niche. And then you need to write article. I already found my keyword. So now you need to come here on Deepseek and you need to give it a prompt. Now spring break is coming, so I wish to write an article about that. So I will say something like this. Give me 5 catchy titles for the keyword spring break trip. And then just press enter. And now Deepseek will give you 5 catchy titles. As you can see, it gave me 5 catchy titles. So now I need to choose one of these titles and I need to tell it to write me an article. So let's say I wish to write article for this first title here. So I will give it a new prompt and I will say, write me SEO optimized article for this title, Spring Break Bliss, your ultimate guide to unforgettable trips. Okay, and then press enter. And now Deepseek will write this article for me. This may take a few seconds, so let's just wait it to finish writing this article. In the meantime, what I would recommend you is to rewrite this article. Now, many companies, they don't like AI written articles, so I would strongly recommend you to rewrite this article, okay? So, Deepseek finished writing my article. Now I need to publish that article. You can publish that article on your blog, on your website. You can publish it on medium.com or you can publish it on vocal.media. And that is exactly what I will do. I will publish this article on vocal.media. Vocal.media is free, 100% free. So I will click here, create a story. Here I need to give it a title, okay? Then I need to add subtitles, so I will go back here on Deepseek and I will scroll here on the top and I can use this as my subtitle. Simply copy this, go back here on vocal.media and paste that here, okay? And I would strongly recommend to open your article with an eye-catchy image. So you can upload your image from your computer, you can embed video, or you can use Unsplash. I will use Unsplash, and here I will simply say Spring Break. And here you can see they had already found some images, so let's just say I wish to use this image here. As you can see, it automatically added this image. Now I need to go back here on Deepseek, and I simply need to copy this entire article, okay? And I will simply copy this, go back here, and I will paste that here, okay? And then you need to add your TripAdvisor affiliate link. So for that, you can simply highlight that keyword, click here on this little chain, and here you can paste your TripAdvisor affiliate link. Also, really important, you need to add an affiliate disclaimer that says that this article contains affiliate link. After you finish everything and you are satisfied how your article looks, click here on Save Changes, okay? And now click here, Submit, okay? Here you need to choose a community, so I will choose a community. Let's say, for example, Earth, and then you need to add some tags here. After that, just click here on Publish, and they will review your article, and if it satisfies their rules, it will be published on Vocal Media. After that, all you have to do is just start building backlinks to that article, and also you need to start driving traffic. You can drive traffic from related Facebook groups. You need to drive traffic from Instagram, from TikTok, from Pinterest, from Reddit, from Twitter, from related forums. Drive traffic from wherever you can and create backlinks. In that way, that article will rank high on Google, and you will start getting free traffic from Google, organic traffic from Google, and you will start getting clicks, and you will start sending people on TripAdvisor, and from some of those people will actually go from TripAdvisor on their client's website, and you will earn up to 10 cents for that click, and you will make money with Deepseek and CPA marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.